Ninja Never Duel knife set. In this set we have 10 different knives, starting from chef's, that is 8-inch long blade. Also we have santuko and utility knives that are 5 inches long with a comfortable handle, and we have a 4.5 inches long steak knife. Also we have 3.5 inches paring knives, and plus we have scissors. The cool part is the reason it's called Never Duel, because we have sharpeners right there and then. How to use it: basically put the knife in, we have a little locking clip on top to lock the knife in, and basically slide this lever on the side, and that's where the sharpening happens. Knives are always super sharp, so you have to be careful, and it's actually amazing to use it when they're actually doing what they're supposed to do. We have little suction cups on the bottom to hold this whole set in place, so amazing, and I would recommend